Hello viewers, today I am unboxing Detan Key Mango Detan Sunscreen SPF 50. So let's begin. Here's how the packaging looks. Very fresh, colorful and summery, just like the name suggested. So let's open it. Let's see what's inside. The product comes in a cute, sturdy tube that's travel friendly and easy to use.
Oh my god.
Let's check the texture. It's a lightweight gel that spread easily and feels super cooling on the skin. It doesn't feel sticky or heavy at all.
Oh my god.
See the result? It offers SPF 50 plus protection with PA+++, which means strong protection against UVA and UVB rays. Plus, it's claimed to detan and brighten the skin. First impression, I love the lightweight feel and the refreshing scent. Excited to try it out daily and see the long-term results. That's for today's unboxing. Stay tuned for my full review after using it for a few days. Bye.